So today we are going to discuss methods to find HCF of numbers just by observation. So let's start. To find the HCF of two numbers, let's take an example as find the HCF of 8 and 12. So first we need to just find difference between two numbers. Here it is 4. Now divide both numbers by 4 and check the numbers are totally divisible by 4 or remainder is present. If we divide 8 by 4 is equal to 2, remainder is 0. If we divide 12 by 4 is equal to 3, remainder is 0. So both numbers are divisible by 4. If both numbers are divisible by 4, then HCF of two numbers is 4. Now let's take next example. Here example is find the HCF of 21 and 35. So let's start. As previous, first step, find the difference between two numbers. Here it is 14, but the 14 is not prime number. So we are going to find the factors of 14, that is 2 into 7. So let's check for 2. Divide both numbers by 2. When we divide 21 by 2, the remainder is present. That means answer is in decimal numbers. If we divide 35 by 2, answer is in decimal. Cancel the 2. Now check for the 7. So when we divide 21 by 7, it becomes 3. When we divide 35 by 7, it becomes 5. That means both numbers are totally divisible by 7. So HCF of both numbers is 7. Now look for the next example. Find HCF of two numbers. Let's take example as 27 and 32. So first step, common, just find the difference between two numbers. Here difference is 5, but both numbers are not divisible by 5. That means when we divide 27 by 5, answer in is decimal numbers. When we divide 32 by 5, the answer is in decimal numbers. So in such cases, the HCF of two numbers is 1. So here answer is for HCF of two numbers, that is 27 and 32 is 1. Now to find the HCF of three numbers. Here numbers are 35, 45 and 50. Just common as before, find the difference between three numbers. Difference in 35 and 45 is 10. Difference in 45 and 50 is 5. And difference in 35 and 50 is 15. So take smallest or least difference among these all. Here least difference is 5. So we are going to divide each number by 5. So when we divide each number by 5, the all numbers are completely divisible and remainder is 0. That means 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. And 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. When we divide each number, the answer is whole number, not in decimals. So HCF of three numbers is 5. Now take next example. HCF of three numbers 12, 30 and 84. Here difference is, first difference between 12 and 30 is 18. Remaining differences are 54 and 72. So least difference is 18. Now 18 is not the primary number. So just factorize it. When we factorize it, the factors are 2, 3, 3. Now we will check one by one. First of all, check for the 2. When we divide each number by 2, so 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. 84 divided by 2 is equal to 40. Now, next step is we are going to divide each result of second step by next factor, that is 3. So dividing each result by 3, we will get 6 by 3 is equal to 2, 15 by 3 is equal to 5, and 42 by 3 is equal to 14. Now we will try to divide result of third step by next factor, that is 3. So when we try for next factor, that is 3, divided by each result of previous step, 2 divided by 3, remainder is present. 5 divided by 3, remainder is present. 14 divided by 3, remainder is present. So cancel last factor, that is 3. So remaining factors are 2 and 3, which will divide completely to the 3 numbers. So HCF of 3 numbers is 2 into 3.